Fans, with their timeless design and functions, are part of virtually every industrial process. Imagination is the only limit to exploring fans' applications all around the world. Hi, I'm Drew, sales manager at Halifax Fan, USA. My background is in business development, building relationships, and creating opportunities. Crossing over from the financial world to manufacturing has been quite the challenge. My learning began by fully immersing myself into the daily routine of our China factories and sales offices. This is my second month in China. One of our sales engineers in the Shenzhen office here in China, JJ, has been my closest mentor. My favorite part? Witnessing sheet metal transform into highly engineered masterpieces. Halifax Fan, engineered for your efficiency.